Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do this physics problem. And here's the question. For part A, we need to find the constant speed for the second part, the second distance. So part A. We know the equation for the first part is t sub 1 equals distance over speed v1. And the equation for the second part is t sub 2 equals distance over the speed v2. And the entire for the entire trip, the average speed v average will equals 2d, because the same distance, over t1 plus t2. And we substitute in, we will get v average equals 2d over d over v1 plus d over v2. And we can simplify this. We will have 2d equals d times 1 over v1 plus 1 over v2. And we can cancel the d out. We will have eventually v average equals 2v1 v2 over v1 plus v2. And we can rearrange this equation to isolate v2, so we will find the constant speed for the second part. So v average times v1 plus v2 equals 2 v1 v2, and v average v1 plus v average v2 equals 2 v1 v2, and v2 equals v average v1 over 2v1 minus v average. And substitute the average and substitute the constant speed for part A and the average velocity for the entire trip. We will get v2 equals 30 times 60 over 2 times 60 minus 30, and we will have 20 miles per hour. And for part B, suppose the second distance will travel opposite direction, and what is the average velocity? So whenever we talk about the velocity, we're talking about the displacement. So if we go into the opposite way, that means the total displacement is 0. So is total displacement 0 over time, and we know it's still 0 mile per hour. So we know this is going to be the answer for part B. And for part C, what is the average speed for the new trip? So we know that they are not asking the average velocity, they are asking the average speed, so we can find v average speed equals 2 v1 v2 over v1 plus v2, and it will equal 2 times 60 times 20 over 60 plus 20 equal, which is gonna be 30 miles per hour. Because they're asking the average speed, so it don't matter if you go into the opposite direction, you will have the same distance. So it's gonna be the same like the average velocity in part. I mean the question they gave you.